What's up guys, it's me Ubaid and you are watching Tech Expode. I'm back with a brand new video and today in this video I will give you a complete review of Palm phone. Well, for going further, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel for more and click the bell icon for more latest videos. So let's get started. Palm look like the smallest iPhone you were ever seen. But it's not a phone, it's a 3.3-inch Android Sidekick. Imagine a mini iPhone so tiny it fits nearly into a palm of your hand and into your tightest jeans pocket. But it is not an iPhone, it is not even a phone at all. This 3.3-inch gadget is the new Palm. A super portable Android Sidekick that has its own LTE data connection and pairs with your phone for calls and texts. Repeat it again, the new Palm is not a phone, but it's work with the phone you already have. When you want to watch videos, play games or take fancy portrait shots, reach for your main device. But when you want to go for a jog, run a quick errand or focus on the people around you, Palm wants you to take its gadget instead. For Palm, yes, Palm is the name of product and the company. The device is lifeline when you need it, not an object to obsess over like you would your usual phone. I briefly tried out the Palm and it's nuts. For anyone who's ever moaned about the death of small phones, the Palm is truly a one-handed device that does not have what you want to do on your Android phone. This thing is adorably tiny, like a teacup dog. The Palm is too small for watching videos, playing games and typing missives. But it's just the right size for playing music, recording workouts and other at a glance tasks. And since it runs on Android, your apps and data will sync. So will your texts and calls. It goes on sale in November for $350, exclusively through Verizon in the US. But Palm says it's in talk with global carriers as well. No, this is not a joke. The tiny device before you is the Palm, a gadget with 3.3-inch screen. Palm, which does not snuggle right into your palm, is not a phone at all. It's a companion for your phone, a buddy and a sidekick. The Palm runs Android Pie and connects with your main device to let you answer and place calls and texts while on the go. Palm's idea is that you can leave your giant screen primary device at home and take the little guy out to be your lifeline, but not your hardly obsession. You unlock the screen with your eyes, but there is no 3D front-facing camera like on the iPhone XS, and you can't use it for mobile payments. If you were used to large screen phone, it's going to take some time getting used to this guy. It really can slide into almost any pocket, even the interior one in a pair of slim men's jeans. Palm wants to sell all sort of accessories for what is essentially already an accessory, including this Kate Spade case that's look like a clutch with a wrist strap. Typing is ridiculous on this thing, but it's work in a pinch. Use voice input when you can and save the long emails for your main phone. There's a single 12-megapixel camera on the back, plus a flash. You will still be able to post photos to a social media from the Palm. Life mode helps you focus on what you were doing in real life by turning off all notifications except for the apps you want. Example, Google Music and incoming calls. There's a whole pairing process which eventually has you scan a QR code that will link your phone number to Palm. Here's another way to make the Palm portable. Palm Right, meet your ancestor, the Palm Pilot. Palm specs: 3.3-inch screen, 445 ppi, 720p resolution, 12-megapixel rear camera and flash, 8-megapixel front-facing camera, 32GB local storage and 3GB RAM. No expandable storage. Battery capacity 800 mAh. Qualcomm Snapdragon 435 processor. Proprietary optical sensor to unlock the phone, but not 3D, not secure enough for mobile payments. One speaker on front, USB-C port, one button power and lock, gestures control, Android 8.1, no NFC, water resistance, IP68. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you enjoy this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Peace out.